Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Scoreholio and signing in so the app recognizes you and your events. Once done, create or verify a simple profile, name, email, and preferred display name, because live brackets and payouts use that info. Make sure you enable location and Bluetooth. The app uses those to find nearby venues and sync between devices. Next, tap events to search or create one immediately. This moves you from setup into active tournament management without extra steps. You now configure the event so matches run predictably and participants understand the rules. Start by selecting single elimination, double elimination, or round robin, then set target scores and match format because that determines bracket behavior. Next, add teams or allow signups, seed manually, or let Scoreholio auto-seed for speed. Once teams are in, enable live scoring and entry fee collection if needed, because wiring payouts and tickets early prevents disputes during the event. You run matches by assigning courts and tapping, start so the clock and scoring sync across devices. As games finish, record scores and confirm them with opposing teams. This prevents score disputes later. Once the bracket advances, monitor the live leaderboard and use broadcasters if you want a public display. At event end, export results for records and process payouts through the app or manually. If something breaks, clear the app cache and reconnect devices. Most sync issues resolve by rejoining the event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.